everybody, and welcome back to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. Today I'm going to be making a drink for you guys called the Death Wish. This is a drink that focuses on the Amaro portion of the drink. And when we think Amaro here, we think of Water Pocket Distillery. It's the only place local that makes Amaro, and we really like to incorporate those in drinks whenever we can. This one actually I found already that had the Box Death Hollow Amaro in the recipe, so that was a pretty easy find for me. It also uses some mezcal, some dry curacao, and some lime juice. And yeah, it's really good, and it's really complex on your palate, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and we're going to get into it right now. It's fashioned after a corpse reviver recipe, so it's going to be equal parts of everything, which will be really easy to remember. So it's 3/4 of an ounce of each ingredient. First is our mezcal. This is Oaxaca Mezcal con Gusano, which means with the worm. It's recently become available to us, and we really like to use that when we can. Then we're going to use the Box Death Hollow Amaro. Some dry orange curacao. And then some fresh squeezed lime juice. And then we're going to add ice and give it a good shake. After we've given it a good shake and got it chilled down nice and good, we're going to put that into a coupe glass here. And then for garnish, we're going to use a little desiccated lime wheel here, just to float on top. And that's it. That's the Death Wish cocktail. Let's give it a try. That is really good. I feel like I say that a lot on here, but it really is. The mezcal isn't as upfront as it normally is in a cocktail that features it. Mezcal is very smoky, and it tends to take the stage when you put it in a drink, but this drink really does focus on the Amaro. The complex herbal notes that come through, it's a little floral, citrusy. This is a really good representation of how these Amaro can be mixed into a drink and really take a big part in that. I really enjoy it. It's not overly sweet. There's not a lot of sweet in here. The Amaros are sweetened. The Curaçao's a little bit, but we use the dry to kind of push that sweetness down. But yeah, it's overall very good drink. Very, very complex. I highly recommend it. Get out there and make it and let us know what you think. And as always, thank you for coming along. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. Give us a like if you can. Check the links down below for some cool merch options, and until next time, we'll see you later. Thanks again.